I'm going to install Ionic using the instructions on Ionic framework docs. So let's go on the Ionic docs. So here it is. For installing Ionic latest version, you need to use this command. As you can see, npm install -g Ionic Cordova. For Windows, you need to install that on admin command prompt, and if you're using Linux or Mac, you need to use sudo command as well. So I'm going to open admin cmd. So go there and type cmd and right click and run as administrator. Okay, so I'm going to install. So now I'm going to copy this and paste on admin cmd and enter. Now installing. I'll be back after once it's finished. So I'm back. As you can see, Ionic installation is completed. I'm going to type Ionic info to check the detail about version. As you can see, Ionic version is 3.19.1 and other versions, Node, NPM operating system, all these things. Now that's all for Ionic installation. So check our Ionic installation. I'm going to install Ionic Hello World blank application. To further check our Ionic installation, I'm going to create a blank Hello World application on desktop. So I'm going to type Control C and paste. Yes. So the installation is completed. Gonna go forward into the directory hello world, and we're gonna run the command Ionic. So I'm gonna allow this. So it's perfect.